Narrator: Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, sitting right after Earth in our solar system. It's about half the size of Earth and takes 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. You might know it by its fiery red color, caused by iron oxide or rust on its surface. Despite being our neighbor, Mars is a cold, dry desert world with temperatures dropping as low as minus 125 degrees Celsius at night. But there's more to Mars than just dust and ice. Narrator: Mars has some of the most extreme geography in the solar system. It's home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and mountain on any planet, standing nearly 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon so vast it makes Earth's Grand Canyon look tiny, stretching over 4,000 kilometers long. From endless dust storms to rocky plains and frozen ice caps, Mars is a planet of extremes. Narrator: The Martian atmosphere is thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's. Made mostly of carbon dioxide, this means there's barely any breathable air and no protection from the sun's radiation. Gravity on Mars is also weaker, only about 38% of Earth's. That means if you weigh 60 kilograms on Earth, you'd weigh just 23 kilograms on Mars. Because of this thin atmosphere and low pressure, liquid water can't exist on the surface for long. It either freezes or evaporates. Narrator: Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, named after the sons of the Greek god, Ares, the god of war. Phobos is slowly spiraling toward Mars and is expected to crash into the planet or break apart within the next 50 million years. Deimos, on the other hand, is smaller and more distant, calmly orbiting its parent planet. Both moons are oddly shaped, more like giant asteroids than spherical moons. Narrator: Mars has been visited by dozens of spacecraft, but none more famous than NASA's Perseverance rover. Launched in 2020, Perseverance landed in the Jezero crater and began searching for signs of ancient microbial life. It's collecting samples that may one day return to Earth for study. Before that, the Curiosity rover, which landed in 2012, taught us that Mars once had water, rivers, lakes, maybe even oceans. And let's not forget the Ingenuity helicopter, the first aircraft to fly on another planet. Narrator: Was Mars ever alive? Billions of years ago, Mars had liquid water, a thicker atmosphere, and perhaps even a magnetic field. Some scientists believe simple microbial life could have existed, and might still exist underground. Finding life on Mars would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. It would prove that we're not alone in the universe. Narrator: Elon Musk's company SpaceX is actively working on sending humans to Mars, perhaps within the next 2 decades. The goal? Build a self-sustaining colony where humans can live, work, and maybe even thrive. But the challenges are enormous. Deadly radiation, no breathable air, harsh weather, long travel times, up to 9 months one way. Still, many believe it's the next giant leap for humanity. Narrator: Mars is more than just a red dot in the night sky. It's a planet of wonder, science, and dreams. We've come a long way, from staring at it through telescopes to landing rovers and helicopters on its surface. And maybe soon, humans will leave the first footprints on its red soil. The journey to Mars is not just about space, it's about the future of humanity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cosmic adventures.